Hey everyone, remember this? There was a time when BlackBerry wasn't just a phone, it was a statement. That iconic physical keyboard, the premium feel, and that little red notification light for a new BBM message, those were the days. It was the king of the corporate world, the ultimate status symbol. But then came the age of the touchscreen, and our beloved BlackBerry just faded away. But what if I told you that the king is making a comeback? The news is out, BlackBerry is returning. And this time, it's in a brand new avatar. That's a perfect mix of that old school love and modern day features. So, will this new phone make old BlackBerry users' hearts flutter all over again? Let's dive deep into the details of the new BlackBerry Titan 5G. BlackBerry Titan 5G, the key features. Design and display. First off, let's talk about the look. This phone is a throwback to the classic BlackBerry design, but with a modern twist. Imagine the compact 4.66-inch display, that iconic physical keyboard, and the famous LED notification light. But here's where it gets interesting, the display is a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling will feel so smooth, you won't want to stop. It's the perfect blend of nostalgia and new tech. Camera. In today's world, the camera is everything, and BlackBerry isn't holding back. The Titan 5G reportedly features a powerful 100-megapixel dual rear camera. If you're into capturing every detail, and getting crystal clear shots, this phone won't disappoint. And for all you selfie lovers out there, there's a 13-megapixel front camera, to take your self-portraits to the next level. Performance. It's not just about looks and cameras, the performance is also top-notch. The phone is rumored to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. This means you can game for hours or multitask heavily, and this phone won't slow down. Since it runs on Android, you'll have access to all the latest apps. And of course, it's a 5G phone, so blazing fast internet speeds are guaranteed. Battery. One of the biggest worries today is battery life. But the Titan 5G comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery. The company claims this phone can last for up to 2-3 days on a single charge. Say goodbye to your power bank. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question, what's the price? The estimated price for the BlackBerry Titan 5G is around $300. And when can you get your hands on it? According to reports, it could be launched in mid-2026.